Hello brother, this is Gary from China. Today we are going to ship 5 injection machine to Pakistan. This is a repeated order from Pakistan. Since last year, the customer buy the whole production line from us. Now they can produce around 10K per day, 10K USB cable. But now they are going to expand their business, so they are add more machines. With this new 5 machine, next year their capacity will be 20K USB cables per day. Okay. The machine quality is the most important, since otherwise the customer will not give us the repeated order. Only the stable machine can make money for our customers. So hope you in future can also make the right choice also. Okay. 2021 is coming. Thanks for your support in the last year, and the best wishes for you for 2021. Happy New Year. Thank you.